Hi there. I wanted to add one more thing because this particular product has been a game changer for one of my veterans. We were talking about how we can make cooking easier and yet healthy. And this particular product is called a steam case. It's by Lequeux, Lekue, and it is made out of silicone. You open it up, it has a little steam tray in here. You could just put 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or broth in here, throw your vegetables, your protein in here, and throw it in the microwave. It actually can be cooked in the oven as well. But what this particular veteran uses it for is in his microwave. He lived in a room. He just had a little electric burner, and he had a microwave, a very small refrigerator. So he didn't have much as far as being able to cook. He used the sink in his bathroom as his kitchen sink. So he didn't have very much. This particular product, he started buying his vegetables. He bought some, what he really liked was his salmon. He put salmon in here with some seasonings and closed it up, put it in the microwave, and he said it was the best salmon he has ever eaten. I would really like to stock some of these for our veterans that don't have access to a kitchen or have very limited abilities to cook. And just like we provide peddlers, I think this would be a great product to provide some of our veterans for eating healthy. It comes in a box like this. So, and there are 2 sizes. This is actually the size for 1 to 2 persons, so this would be a perfect size. But I also have one that's a larger size. This is more for 3 to 4 people, so if I'm cooking a lot of vegetables, I throw it in here. So the comparison between the 2 sizes is like this. The other thing I really like, and it is kind of a necessity, it comes with a little cookbook. And it's very, very simple recipes, it's minimal ingredients, and it's all spelled out how to cook your vegetables and how to cook your proteins, and gives you some great ideas. So you can get it on Amazon. I would be very careful about getting it on Amazon because I noticed in the reviews some people didn't get the cookbook, or actually the steamer case, which is essential for this, was not included. You can use it without the steam case if you want to do something more like a stew and let the vegetables stew in the liquid. So you could do that too. On the Lequeux, again, Lekue, their Lequeux USA website sells the small one for $32 and then the larger one for $41. So that's the price range. Again, I would love to provide these to our veterans and that don't know how to cook and want to start eating healthier.